Hi DMsters! Let me share with you our Taiwan trip last May with my high school friends. Since early morning flight kami, nag-airport lounge muna ako.
Muna sa Marhaba ulit. Breakfast.
Then boarding time. Magkahiwalay kami ng ticket kaya magkaiba rin kami ng upuan. Kami yung magkatabi ni Rose and then silang tatlo nandun sila sa kabila. Then ito yung binook na hotel ni Kasuga, yung Meijiyang Hotel, located in Simending. Thank you, Nis.
Yun yan, parang sinabi mo na ano. Malaki din.
Then dito kami nag-lunch sa Mala Hot Pot Buffet. Sulit dito kasi unlimited yung Häagen-Dazs ice cream. Then they have wide selections of meat, veggies, and balls. Our hotel is near Simending Night Market, so naglakad muna kami on our first night para i-check yung area. Then we tried the Sifutang famous milk tea plus their Xiaolong Bao, and then nag-food trip na din kami. Second day naman, dito kami nag-lunch.
Masarap. Kain tayo.
Then after lunch, nag-cab kami to visit Liberty Square Arc, yung Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Park. Then pinanood namin yung changing of guards. Then iyan, tamang kulitan lang. Then we also went to Taipei 101, tapos kumain kami sa Din Tai Fung. We also went to Rainbow Lane City Hall. Then we went to Shilin Night Market. Then this is my birthday salubong. Sana rin silang pakik. Thank you so much, heartmates. I appreciate it. Mwah chuk chuk. Ayan, may pa-pizza din, tsaka chicken. Thank you. Mwah.
Patapang.
The next day is our tour. So, first stop namin is sa Yelyu Geopark. Yelyu Geopark features all sorts of strange-looking rocks. It was created because of the weathering and marine erosion. And some of the famous rocks that you will see here are the sea caves, mushroom rocks, we have candle rocks, and this famous Queen's Head. For our next stop, we visited Shifen Waterfall. Then after, we went to Shifen Old Street. Dito kami nagsulat ng wishes dun sa colorful lanterns, the Shifen Sky Lantern, and we released them into the sky. May all our wishes do come true. Along the way, dumaan din kami dito sa Golden Waterfall. Our last stop is the Jufen Old Street, which is a series of alleyways and a night market in Jufen, Taiwan. It is also one of the country's most iconic night markets. Bumili uli ako ng milk tea. Then dito ako nag-try ng stinky tofu. Day 4, kami na lang ni Rose ang naiwan kasi papunta na sila ng Malaysia and gabi pa yung flight namin back to the Philippines.
Kasi pag nung gabi pumunta tayo, sarado ang dami. Diba?
Nga.
Umaga pa. Gantong oras bukas.
Marami.
Hindi pa tayo lumalabas.
Correct.
Sa kama pa tayo.
We're on our way to Maokong kasi pupunta kami sa Maokong Gondola to ride the cable car. Tapos nakasabay namin tong mga bata kasi malapit din siya sa Taipei Zoo. And we're here. We just booked our Maokong Gondola tickets through Klook. Dito na rin namin siya i-review.
Print namin yung ticket sa gondola yan, using Klook.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sakay na tayo. And we're here at Malcong Gondola. Ayan, kasama ko ang aking high school best friend.
Hi.
Wow! Ayan ang view. Matutuwa nga dito sa Nahalson.
Oo nga eh.
Hi! And first station sa Malcong Gondola is
Yes.
Yes.
Tomorrow.
Yes. Okay.
Next is the temple.
Oh, okay. Next is the
Thank you.
temple.
This is the second station. Ito naman, if you wanted to go to yung mga palaces. So, may 3 stations kasi. Kami diretso na kami sa Malcong Gondola.
Alam mo kung nasa ako. Sumakay kami ng cable car.
Siya yung performer sa Malcong Station.
Maganda to.
Then, bumili si Rose ng souvenir coin.
Ay, ang ganda. Pakita natin.
Ay, ang cute.
Then, we also tried the ice cream.
Yeah. Cheers. Kunin natin. Oh.
Sakay uli kami, papunta naman kami sa second station.
Ito yung second station sa gondola. Ito, like temple. Temple lang siya. Ito yung isa. Yan, mga ganyan lang. Kasi diba yung last station is the gondola, Malcong. Then, yung first yung Taipei Zoo. Maganda din unahin muna yung dulo, tapos Taipei Zoo. Or mas maganda pag may kasamang bata pumunta sa zoo.
Dito sa temple, marami kami nakitang pusa.
Di ba mga ano to? Sheshe!
Dyan. Or sa
Yes,
side. Dito. Ganyan.
Sheshe! Ganun
Ayaw
ba?
nila sa pao dyan eh. Tama ko lang.
Ay, oo nga. Sheshe!
Past 5 na, so balik na uli kami sa hotel and may rush hour din sila. Daming tao, siksikan. Back to Simending. This is the Simending Rainbow Walk. May mga street performances din every weekend. And caricatures. Ito, flight na namin to. So pagdating sa airport, pumunta muna ako sa airport lounge to eat. Dito sa Plaza Premium Lounge in Taipei Airport.
Punta na ako sa gate.
And this is our Taiwan trip with my high school friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!